Victory to Lord Satyanarayan. The fifth chapter of Satyanarayan Vrat Katha, Suta ji said, O sages, I will now narrate another story, listen to it attentively. There was a king named Tungadhwaj, who was deeply engaged in the governance of his kingdom. However, due to his negligence in honoring the Lord's offerings, he had to endure great suffering. One day, after hunting wild animals in the forest, he arrived under a banyan tree. There, he saw a group of cowherds, along with their families, devotedly worshipping Lord Satyanarayan. Overcome by pride, the king ignored their worship and did not bow before the Lord. The cowherds humbly offered prasad to the king, but he refused to eat it and left it there before returning to his city. Upon reaching his kingdom, he found everything in utter ruin. Realizing that this devastation was the Lord's doing, he immediately returned to the cowherds. This time, he sincerely performed the rituals and consumed the prasad. By the grace of Lord Satyanarayan, everything in his kingdom was restored to its original state. He enjoyed prosperity for a long time, and after his death, he attained heaven. Whoever observes this highly sacred Vrat, fast, with devotion will be blessed by Lord Satyanarayan with wealth and prosperity. The poor will become rich, and the fearful will lead a life free from worries. The childless will be blessed with offspring, and upon fulfilling all their desires, they will ultimately attain Vaikuntha, the divine abode of Lord Vishnu, after death. Suta ji continued, Now, I shall narrate the story of the second birth of those who previously performed this Vrat. The aged Brahman Shatanand was reborn as Sudama and attained salvation. The woodcutter, in his next life as a Nishad, achieved liberation. King Ulkamukh was reborn as King Dashratha and ascended to Vaikuntha. A merchant named Sadhu was reborn as Moradhwaj, who attained salvation by sacrificing his son by sawing him in half. King Tungadhwaj, in his next life as Swayambhu, performed his duties with devotion to the Lord and attained moksha, liberation. Thus, the fifth chapter of the sacred Satyanarayan Vrat Katha is complete. Glory to Lord Satyanarayan.